All right, let's begin. Hello everyone, and welcome to BHG Studio. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a brand new Wotancraft bag, so let's begin. All right, you know the name, all right? It's the Scout. The full name is what does it say here? It is the New City Explorer, but it's the Scout bag. It's a bag that they had before. They discontinued it, but they brought it back. All right, so I have not seen this colorway before. There's gonna be two colors. So let's just see which colorway we get in here. And I've done a few of these Wotancraft unboxings. They ship out of Taiwan. This is a Taiwanese company, and the shipping is always quick and efficient. They have an email that tells you it's on the way, and always comes inside a nice little kind of a, I don't know what you call these, like garment bags or something, but it has its own little handle, and so great for storage if you use a bag for like you know, for certain seasons, and other times you just kind of pack it away. Always comes with a nice bag, and already I'm excited because I see the edge here. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, looky, look at that. And so this is the olive, they call it the olive green. What do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. I like how Wotancraft mixes Cordura with leather, and to me that is really my favorite type. It's my favorite sort of combination for camera bags. So you get the strength and the durability of the Cordura because it's light, it's strong, and it's thin, but as well with the leather accents, it kind of gives it a little bit of style. And so the term vintage tech makes a lot of sense for a camera bag like this. And this is a 7-liter bag. And just as an example, the Wotancraft 7-liter Pilot, it's supposed to be the same size, but I'm pretty sure that this feels a little bigger, but maybe because the Pilot can expand a little bit more. And right here is the Peak Design 10-liter sling bag, and you can sort of see they're about the same size, and so maybe 7 liters is a little bit, kind of from the outside it looks closer to maybe 8 liters, but this is a decent size for carrying maybe a body, a couple lenses, and some accessories and stuff like that. I think that's a good size. It has so if you take a look at this, it has that pass-through, so if you are traveling with this, it's a great carry-on for an airplane. I always appreciate having these back pockets, so you can put your passport, you could put your wallet in here, so even if you are kind of walking around, you want the most important things closest to your body is right here. Now they say that you can fit up to a 9.7-inch iPad in the back. I don't have a 9.7-inch iPad, but I do have an iPad mini, and it fits in here perfectly like that. And these are all YKK zippers. They're all weather sealed as well, as you can see, weather sealed zippers. And let's just open up the front here. So these are just kind of pulls. You pull it up with this, and but they do have these little sections here. So you see how my thumb can go through here, and then you can just kind of press in like that. And that's the same with the buttons on the inside here. You can open up these buttons like this, but as you can see, your fingers, I'll show you here. See how your fingers can kind of go in behind? So when you're closing it, your thumb goes under like this. It makes it easier to close like this, right? So you can snap it like that. See that? Snap it like that. And then you need to open it. You just pull it, and you open it up like that. So that's awesome. And you can see, if you look closely here, all the little rivets here on the entire thing. It has the Wotancraft logo on here. So it's a high quality built bag. Even on the outside, you can see the hardware, very nice quality. You can see the leather on the edges here, which is probably where you're gonna get the most wear and tear. And then again, YKK zippers, 2 of them on the top there, and that's where, again, on the back, you see the rivets on the back, you see the rivets all on the front here. So again, very nice quality build of this bag here. So let's look on the inside, open up the main zipper, and we look inside. It has an accordion style opening, so you can see that. It opens like this. See that? So if you're carrying it, so let's just pretend that I'm carrying it right now. As you're carrying it like this and you need to open up, it opens like this, right? So it's nice and convenient. You can see the inside here. They have these, I don't know what you call these things. I'm gonna just pull it out. It has this style of divider, so you can either have it up like this, or you can have it folded down this way or folded over this way. So if you want something inside the inner compartment and still put something on top, or if you want to lay it down this way like this and have 2 of these on either side, have 2 of these inside, I guess, and you fold them down like this, and you can put a camera straight down this way here. So let's just move these out of the way. Looks like you get two of these dividers, very high quality and versatile. I think you can order more of these. So you can see the compartment in here. It's a nice large size, and in the back here, oh look at that, you actually get a third divider here. So you get 3 of these. You just configure it any way you want. And on the back here is that laptop section, and that's where you actually have access to it from the top here. So you have another zipper here. You can access your laptop here. I have my 13-inch MacBook Air. This is fit in the back here. Fits in the back, no problem. And then again, you have this whole front section, but you can see the laptop over here. All right, so as I mentioned before, this does use the Cordura material, which is a very high-tech material. So you have that official little logo there that says Cordura, and a lot of sneakers have this. Also, a lot of military type ballistic nylon, a lot of high-tech materials use Cordura, and according to Wotancraft, Cordura material is 60% thinner, 50% lighter, but 10 times stronger than waxed canvas. And so it looks like waxed canvas, but you can feel it in, you know, waxed canvas has kind of that waxy feel, which I actually do like, but knowing that this is thinner, lighter, and yet stronger than waxed canvas, this is a great material to use in bags like this. So it does have that high-tech, but kind of a vintage vibe to it. And this green kind of gives it that military-inspired look. And I like Wotancraft's camera bags. This one here, the Pilot series, is more camera-centric, this bag here. And I think Chris Nichols from DP Review, he has the 10-liter version. This is the 7-liter version, which I like. The most functional, I guess, in terms of a camera bag, because it just has this quick fid lock, and then bang, you have your camera gear there. There's no zippers in the main camera compartment here. And as well, this has been my favorite camera bag for the past, I don't know how many months now. And this is the Lightning Rider. And this one here has a zipper here, but there's no flap on the top. And so to me, this Scout bag is kind of in the middle. This is a camera bag, but you can remove all the inserts and then use it kind of like a business bag. But this colorway perhaps does not look like a business bag. So I actually have the other colorway. So let's check it out. All right, so look at this. Here we go. So this is the Black Scout. And check this one out. Has a total, I mean, it looks the same, but definitely when I carry it, it has a different feel. And this actually is full. I got this about 2 weeks ago before I got the green one here. And I do actually use this kind of like a business bag as I go back and forth from home into the studio. And so I'll just show you what I have inside here. And so again, you have the top flap here that you have to open up. And you have this back section. And in the back section, I just have my iPad 11-inch Pro, and just inside this nice leather case. And so I have that inside here. And then in the main compartment, maybe I'll even just kind of stand up. So this is how the black bag looks. So it does have kind of a business feel. So if you're going to use this as a camera bag, but as well on days where maybe you don't want to carry camera gear, you just move those little dividers aside, you can use this as a work bag. I think it looks great as that. And in here, what I have is, I often use my waist packs as a Dopp kit. So this is my Dopp kit. It has my wallet, and it has all my chargers and all my cables and all, you know, I don't want to do a full what's in my Dopp kit, but the Dopp kit fits nicely inside here. And then I also have a thermos in here. And then I'll show you inside here in the camera section, I folded down that folder here. And so I put the Ricoh GR3 on top, and then underneath, what's underneath here? Well, I have the Fujifilm X100V. And so you can kind of, you know, it's very modular. You can set these little folders up any way you want. I just left the other folder up against here, but of course I can always grab it like this and then reset it like this, and now I can have different compartments, right? So I have one here, one over here, and then one back here that I have the X100 hiding inside. And this is also part of Wotancraft's pocket module system. And so I'll just show you. This is what Wotancraft calls the pocket modules. And so you can see it has the Velcro strip on the back. And this one here is just kind of a pouch that you can put things inside. And this one here is another, like a little mini pouch over here, like this. Velcro on the back. And then over here is just like maybe like a card pouch or something like that. And so these things here, move these things out of the way. So here's three, I have these three modules, and so you can put this inside and put it up against the wall here. See that? So now you have a little extra pocket. And then over here, you put another one here. So maybe I could put another one on the opposite side like this. And so see that module there? Put stuff like that. And then on the other side, you have two more modules here. So you can really expand these bags. So if you want to use it as a camera bag, you have any one of these three dividers that you could put inside, or pull these all out, use these modules on the inside and make this more of a business bag. Or you can just mix and match. Use one divider and then use one of these little modules here. Maybe you could put spare batteries or something on the inside. So very modular bag. And so here are the two colors again. Here is the charcoal black, and here is the olive green. Which colorway do you guys like? Kind of business, kind of dark, mysterious, or kind of vintage vibe, like a Filson bag or something like that? I think both of these are awesome. And I forgot to mention, the padding. This kind of a latex padding on your shoulder. Very comfortable here on your shoulder here. And these pouches in the front, decent size. What can I use as an example? I wouldn't do this, but it is wide enough that my iPad mini can fit barely, right? You can see how it's barely closes in here. So iPad mini can fit in here. I wouldn't put an iPad mini in here, but you could probably put, give like a little mini Dopp kit, or you could put your spare batteries, you could put a notepad, you could put lots of different things here. So it's a decent size on the front here. Then you got your main compartment with the accordion style opening here. Your back zipper here to access your laptop or iPad. All weather sealed zippers here. And then finally on the back, you have another little zippered section here that they say you can put an iPad 9.7 inch. But again, I would probably put your wallet or something you want quick access, or something that's very valuable to you. And then you have your pass-through here for your luggage. So yeah, I think I'm gonna actually really, I was looking at both these colorways and trying to decide like which one I would probably use. I think I'm probably gonna use the olive green one here, and this one maybe for something more formal. I'm gonna just show you. This is I haven't done a video on this yet, but this is their part of their business series. It's a 14-liter backpack, and so both of these kind of look at that. Look at these bags. Imagine going to work. This is your work backpack with your laptop and your Dopp kit and I don't know, business files and things like that. So you have this on your back and then over your shoulders. So let's just do it. This is on my back, like this. So you can see how this looks. What does it look, guys? Does it look good? And then over your shoulder, you have something like this. So if I was gonna go take a flight somewhere, and I had some business stuff, laptop, iPad, Dopp kit in the back, and then have camera gear. I mean, this is kind of the look, right? What do you guys think? I think it looks great. Oh, and they also have a matching Dopp kit as well. And this Dopp kit will work either with the business bag, or you can just put it inside this. What do you think? A matching Dopp kit with this bag? I will do a comparison between the new Scout and maybe something like the Peak Design sling bag here, because they're of similar size, and I actually use these two. Design aesthetics, very different, but in terms of function, they actually function very similar. So you want something really techie looking and modern, or something kind of a retro looking, something like this. But I think more of you guys might be interested in what my thoughts are comparing the Scout with the Lightning Rider and the Pilot 7-liter, because according to Wotancraft, these are supposed to be the same size. But so far, what do you guys think? What do you think of these bags? I think they are awesome. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Oh, price. I'll put it maybe earlier in the video, but $2.99 US. I'll give a link down below that'll give you a link to, because I think this video might come out before the bag is ready. Once the bag is available for order or pre-order, then I'll put affiliate links. But for now, I'll put another link that sort of showcases the bag. But it's a matter of days when this video is launched and the bag is available. So again, let me know questions down below. But I will be doing more tests a little bit later. So thanks for watching and happy shooting. Peace.